Good morning, fifth grade. We have made it to Wednesday. You guys are doing an awesome job. Thank you to those of you that have shown up for Hangouts, those of you that are doing your morning ticket, and everybody that's getting their work done. I'm really proud of you guys. We have 2 more days of work this week, and then Friday you get to take a break. So I'm going to walk through a couple things with you here real fast, and then I have a couple new announcements for you. So make sure you watch this whole video. There's some interesting things you need to hear. First of all, today you're going to read chapters 5 and 6. Remember, we will read out loud together at 9 or 1. You're welcome to join if you would rather read them on your own. That's totally fine, but please make sure that you take your chapter notes on 5 and 6. So when you log onto those notes, you should have all chapters 1 through 6 done and notes taken by the end of the day today. If you're getting behind, let me know. I'd be happy to help you. Your how-to paper is actually due today. My hope is that you were able to get that done yesterday. You can start revising today if you've not done that. If you just finished your sloppy copy, you are right on track. No worries. Click here for your how-to paper and it'll take you and you can open up your rainbow editing paper there. And that'll walk you through how to edit. If you are done revising and you're ready to edit with a partner or peer edit, once you turn it in, I will assign you a peer editor. I just did that on Tuesday, which is today for me, yesterday for you. So some of you already have a peer editor. If you are to that point, click here because this will walk you through how we're going to peer edit. It's going to look super different on the computer than it does when we're together in class. So click there and it will walk you through everything that you need to know in order to peer edit your paper. Grammar today, hopefully you have taken some time the last 2 days to understand commas and introductory elements. Click here to take a Google Forms quiz. Same kind of thing we did last week. Just kind of show me what you know. And that helps me know what you need more help with. Okay, so click there. Any extra time that you have, you can work on some bonus activities. Don't forget about your journal. And today for our Hangouts, we'll be reading chapters 5 and 6. That will probably take us quite a bit of time to finish. Whatever time we have left, we'll keep working on quiz number 1. And then any other homework that you need some help with, I'd be happy to help you. Okay. So 2 more things. First of all, your joke for the day is, how do you stop an astronaut's baby from crying? Show up for the Hangouts and I'll tell you how to do that. The last thing I need to tell you, with this new online learning, the district has decided to give you guys access to an email account. Okay. It is the same email that is your, like mine is M.A. Wooderson, you're at usd375.org. That is your email address. I'm going to show you how to get to those emails, but before I do that, I want to let you know that this is a school account. It is to be used for school things. And I want you to know that I have access to your emails and the district has access to your emails. So this is not something that I want you like emailing your buddy like, hey, let's hang out when we're done being quarantined. This is meant for school purposes. So keep that in mind. It must be school appropriate. Don't send personal emails. If you need to get a hold of me, that's great. But this is a way that we're going to use to communicate with you. So we're going to start sending out emails if we see that we have some assignments that aren't completed from the week before. You may get an email. When we return graded assignments to you, sometimes that will come through email. So just keep an eye out for it. It's really simple how you get there. So if you go to any Google page that has these little 9 dots, Google Apps, click on that. Where it says Gmail, you're going to click there. It'll take you straight to your Gmail. You may have a couple emails already because things that we do automatically sometimes just send there. So keep an eye out for that. That will be super helpful as we continue to find new ways to communicate with you while you are not with us in person. So have a happy Wednesday. I will see you at Hangouts at 9 or 1. Have a good day.